We parked outside and it's running, like I'm waiting on your invite. Outside the coupe, it matches the inside. In my cup, it's a pint of lean inside. And I'm probably pulling up with white paint.
Bitch, I been that nigga and they know. I just fucked 2 bitches in a row. And I could get you high for the low.
I put my bitch in high fashion.
I just got me a new pack and I can't wait.
Hey everyone, Steve at S&A Security Specialist. We're going to show you what the Igla pin code system does as far as blocking thieves or anyone attempting to program a key to this car. You will not be able to program a key or delete a key or even gain access to do so when the Igla system is on. So we're going to show you right now that it is on. There's the brake. There's the button. It did not start. Engine is not running. Will not start. Brake, button. Will not start. We're going to turn off the vehicle. I'm going to try to program a key. Hit agree. We're going to turn those hazard lights on to wake up the car's computer. We're going to go over here, select by vehicle, Chrysler 300. There we go. We're going to try to read the vehicle security code that is needed to program a key. And we're going to show you what happens. It blocks it every single time. No matter how many times we try, it is going to block it. It's going to not let you in it. It's that simple, everyone. So you don't want to get your Chrysler 300 stolen or any other vehicle such as a Mopar. That includes the Challengers, Chargers, Trackhawks, Durangos, the whole lineup of family. Our system will stop these from relay attacking your vehicle and scanning the key signal to start your car. Would also stop them from programming a key or deleting your keys and leaving you stranded.
And I also want you to remember, it only takes less than 5 minutes to reprogram a key and drive the hell off. So security is a must. As you can see, broad daylight, because it only takes a matter of minutes. And if you're not paying attention, it will be gone in minutes. And as you can see right here, the key program will light up. All they needed was a few more minutes to do their job, and they were gone. Stay safe.
Hey everybody, it's Steve at S&A Security Specialist here at River Grove, Illinois. We've been noticing a lot of our customers coming in with these little plate covers over the neutral safety strap, which is located next to the gear shifter. Great idea. What these do is they slow thieves down. So thieves just bust your window, climb in, pull the plastic cover off, pull the red strap cable, and push your vehicle away using another vehicle. These slow them down. We acquired a couple of these, we brought them in, and we thought, wow, great idea, great concept, but how can we make these better? So these little things right here are very thin. We can press down, we can bend them, could probably easily drill through it and still get to that strap. With the ones that we revised, they're a lot thicker. As you see, I'm pushing down on them, and if you look at the steel on that, compared to something that thin, this is definitely a better option. So what these will do is they will complement your Compustar drone package and basically slow the thieves down so they can't just bust the window, hop in so fast and pull the strap and push it away real quick. This will slow them down, giving that alarm system plenty of time to alert your remote control and your drone and page you on your cell phone. So definitely a great add-on if you already have the Igla system and the Compustar system. Or if you just want to get a Compustar system without the Igla, make sure you ask for the strap cover. We do have about 100 of each in stock for Chargers and Challengers from 2015 all the way up to 2022. They are available for our customers who have new installs, or they're available for all of our previous customers. All you have to do is give us a phone call. Our phone number is 773-772-5424. in the nickel.
Getting the upgrade cover. Going from the old one to the new one. New plate installed, thicker, better. Alright, we're trying to put it all back together. I'll holler at you guys. Peace. My number one thing is Compustar with drone mobile. What it is tilt sensors. If they lift up the car trying to take the rims, the alarm's gonna go off. If they try to tow it, the alarm's gonna go off. If they try to break the window, alarm's gonna go off. And all that, you get alerted to the key fob and to your phone that something is going on. It can't get no better than that, right? Now, what I just did is going to get sent to my phone with the rest of these alerts that I get if anything happens to my phone. But let me show you. Let me bring it up so you'll see how it looks. As you see it, right there, ring alerts, drone mobile. I'm not too sure if you can see that. Let me get that so you can see it. Drone mobile has been triggered. Has been triggered. Shock. All that's been triggered. So you get all that on the key fob and your phone. You can't get no better than that. So no matter what they doing, no matter where you at in the world, the mall, another state, you will still know what's going on with your car. That is the first part. The second part is a PIN code system. PIN code system, which I shared in my other videos, which I will probably put some clips in on this video. It stops them from relay attacking, which I can just show you now. Relay attacking, and it stops a key programmer. It's like a locksmith. Say if you lost your keys, you'll call a locksmith. He'll come out with a key programmer, program you another key, and drive off. Well, that is the same technology the crooks are using. They're getting their hands on the same thing, breaking your window, get into your car, reprogram another key, and driving the hell off. Well, with this PIN code system, we're going to eliminate all that. So that was part 2. Now part 3 is the neutral release. It's so easy just by pulling up a piece of plastic, pulling a cord, you can put your car in neutral. Well, we're going to eliminate all that. So that's the 3 things. The new text alert about the alarm going off. As you can hear it and see it. It goes off and lets you know something happened to your car. But back to what I was saying. The PIN code stops them from relay attacks, stops them from programming a key, and the neutral release, which I said I was getting back to, they're not going to be able to just put it in release mode and just push this car away. No longer. So with them 3 things covered, with them 3 things covered, it's over with. So let's get to it, YouTube.
What are you, fucking nuts?